Hi, my name is Bob Trace. I recently enrolled in the website design bootcamp offered by DFY Magic Themes, and I must say it has been absolutely fantastic. From day one, I was immersed in a world of knowledge and skills that I never knew existed. One of the most valuable aspects of the course so far was the focus on niche keyword SEO. Within just 2 weeks, I gained a deep understanding of how to identify the best keywords for my website and posts, ensuring maximum visibility and ranking on the search engines. The comprehensive checklist and instructional videos provided by the course were invaluable resources in this regard. But it didn't stop there. The bootcamp also guided me through the technical aspects of setting up my website, from finding the perfect domain name to integrating a Twilio phone number, setting up SSL, creating a domain email, and building my agency website with all the necessary company information. It was a step-by-step process that demystified the technical jargon and made it incredibly easy to follow along. I can't speak highly enough about the instructors, Robert and Stephen. They were incredibly supportive throughout the entire process, always available to answer any questions or concerns that arose. Their knowledge and expertise were evident in every interaction, and they went above and beyond to ensure our success. In fact, I was amazed at what I was able to achieve in a short time. Following their guidance, I managed to build my agency website in less than 2 weeks. And the best part is, it only took me about half an hour. The clear instructions and hands-on approach allowed me to quickly apply what I had learned, resulting in a beautiful and professional website. I can't contain my excitement for what I have accomplished already, and I'm eagerly looking forward to the future. The website design bootcamp offered by Stephen and Robert from DFY Magic Themes has equipped me with the tools and knowledge to take my online presence to the next level. As the bootcamp continues, it can only get better. Thank you, Robert and Stephen, for your guidance and support. I am truly pumped.